you back into an awkward parking lot where you don't see your right or your left, the best way is to get down and look. Get out and look. You have to come out and look because everything here is angulated. This is where I need to get my trailer in. You cannot see from the left side, you cannot see from the right side, so you have to have a reference point. The reference point here is a straight line between, that is the slot. You draw a straight line, it will be that second trailer that says Shebix. So I need to get my nose, the nose of the tractor, looking this way. If I look from here, the slot is here. That is the best way to manage a parking lot that is very irregular. Irregular means angles here. This is the angle parking. This is a straight parking. Everything here is irregular. You have to find the reference point. So I would pull forward with this angle in this direction so I can jackknife the trailer in the straight line that I already determined as a reference. While I'm doing that, I have to look at the mirror and see if I can get my pivot where I can jack a knife around it. As you can see, we don't see right or left. You are blind. You are blinded at both sides. So I'm almost coming close to the pivot point here. Here is the pivot at the edge of the trailer. I can do an acute right turn to do the jackknife process. You still have to come out and look. Now you are in a critical situation where you can hit the other trailer. So you have to get out and look. I did a very good on the pivot. This is my turning point of turning right there. Of course, you cannot keep going because you are going to hit this trailer. I can keep turning, yes, but I can do a much better job illustrating the nose to that. I can keep going that way jackknifing it, but I will be blinded on both sides. Well, I can do it for about 20 feet until I can get the drive. I need to get the drive at this point. I have to change the steer the other direction so I can jackknife it in the slot. I have about 20 feet of belay where I can, before I can hit the other trailer. That is enough. So we can do now another. We're now going forward a little bit. This is an automatic transmission, so easily you can lose air pressure on the transmission very easily. Yes, that is much. Now I am in a very comfortable situation where I can jackknife it hard. I might be able to get it right away. Yeah. Almost to there. This is my reference point, and here the way it is very comfortable. I can make the comfortable curve without having to sweat. Or better, or better, which is my best choice, is to not to do that, not just to straighten it forward in the neutral. This is maximum forward. And this is a press. Put it on right. Straighten the nose a little bit. Need a lot of torque to do that, because it's an acute steering in a very short distance. Need a lot of torque. The truck was going to smell in a minute. You can smell the transmission because of. I straightened the nose good, so. I'm in reverse now. As a matter of fact, I had the brake on, so I was dragging the drive. Sometimes you forget. I was dragging the drive when I said torque. The torque, it was a mistake I made. I got my reference right here. Even though I'm in a very comfortable situation, but I'm not going to take a chance. I will better go forward and use my reference point as, because I can swipe the other trailer. This is my reference point. This is my safest. That's much better. Look at that. I was almost close to hit the other trailer. Look at that. I was close to hit the other trailer. Going up, I will better come out and look. You become overconfident. You make the worst mistakes. I think I am good now. I still have my reference point as my safest choice. Now we are good. We are good on both sides. We are seeing everything on both sides. This is my reference point. Shepherd 6. I can see now the other trailer right here. I can see that trailer that is annoying me. I can now go smooth back. And I finished. Now when you see in both mirrors, you have no fear. We are going straight. Going straight, very straight. We are finished. Finished. Perfect. This is the way it looks on the side, this side. Very parallel, as parallel as you can get. And I am on the concrete on this side. I might not be on the concrete on the other side. This is a loaded trailer. You have to put it on the concrete. We are not hitting anything in the back, but I might need to come back a little bit. Absolutely, yes. This is the concrete. This is the end of the concrete, so I need to come back 5 feet. And that is my reference point. This is the final touch. This driver is a yard jockey, so he's doing that all day long. This is on the concrete. The concrete line is right here. This is the concrete line. So this is a concrete. I am very sure. This is a concrete right here. This is the dirt right here. This is the line. And then you can see the line. So we are in a good shape. And this is our reference point. If he drops it here, I'll be very upset because he has a spot here. He might be coming back, but he is afraid of that ditch. These two ditches will bother him, but he might come back. Let me see what is he going to do.